All right, let's get right into it. For like decades, the way we find stuff online has been pretty much the same, right? You type, you search, you click a link. But right now, as we speak, that entire system is going through a massive revolutionary change, and it's all powered by AI.
Just let that sink in for a second. Imagine, instead of a page full of blue links, you just get a direct conversation. You get an answer. You get an action. This is a huge shift in how we interact with the web itself. And look, this isn't some far-off sci-fi movie concept we're talking about. This is happening right now. It's rolling out, and it's about to completely change our relationship with information.
So, what's at the heart of all this? It's Google's new conversational AI mode. And this isn't just some tiny experiment they're running. No, they are pushing this out to the entire world. 180. That is the number of countries and territories getting access to this new AI search. I mean, that's a pretty clear signal, right? Google is all in on this, and the search landscape as we know it is about to change for billions of us. So what does this actually feel like for you, the person doing the searching? Well, in a nutshell, it could be the end of endless clicking. The whole experience is being reimagined to be more direct, more conversational, and honestly, a whole lot more powerful. Okay, let's make this real. Imagine you want to book a table at a restaurant. Instead of opening, 5 different tabs and websites, you just tell Google what you want. Something like, hey, find me an Italian place for 2 Friday at 8 p.m. The AI gets it, it connects to services like OpenTable, finds what's out there, and lets you book it right then and there. No clicking away, no extra steps, just done. And that's just one tiny example. You can see the enormous potential here. For us, the users, this is a massive upgrade. Search is finally getting a whole lot smarter. The advantages are super clear, right? You're going to get faster answers, a way more personalized experience, and you can actually complete tasks right from the search page. That old ritual of surfing through 10 blue links just to find one little piece of information, yeah, that could be ancient history very, very soon. But, and you knew there was a but coming, right? Every big leap in technology has a trade-off. And this incredible convenience for us comes at a potentially huge cost to the people who actually create all the stuff on the web. The publishers, the writers, the businesses. This really gets to the heart of the economic problem. You see, the old web had a simple deal. You click a link, the publisher gets traffic, and that traffic is how they make money. Simple. But in this new AI web, you just ask, and the AI spits out the answer. So what happens to the publisher? What do they get? That's the big question mark. The industry already has a name for this. They're calling it the Google Zero problem. The AI is just so good at summarizing information that you get what you need without ever having to click on the original link. And publishers are already freaking out about it, with some saying their traffic from search is already starting to drop. Now, this doesn't mean the web is dead, not at all. But it does mean it has to evolve, and fast. The entire game we've all known for years, search engine optimization, or SEO, is basically being rewritten as we speak. A whole new strategy is coming into focus. It's called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Think of it as SEO 2.0. The goal isn't just to rank #1 anymore. Now it's all about making your content in a way that AI can find it, summarize it perfectly, and, this is the crucial part, actually credit you as the source. Mastering this is going to be the next big thing for anyone creating content online. So all of this brings us to the ultimate question, doesn't it? This new AI-powered web is offering us unbelievable convenience, but it could also break the very economic model that supports all the creators making the information in the first place. As this rolls out everywhere, we're all part of this huge experiment. So we have to ask ourselves, what do we value more? The seamless, perfect answer, or the ecosystem of clicks that built the web?